Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Hope you are liking our content. First, let us look at the levels given yesterday for today. And we have discussed the possibilities of testing the upper band and coming back. So the similar action is played out today. And the range made today is on the top side 17,377 and the low made is 17,053. So market early in the morning try to test these highs and given up all the gains toward the end of the day. So within this range all the levels on the upside are met. On the downside 204 met, 155, 184 and 17,011 is missed by 42 points. So almost all the levels on Nifty they matched. So as we have been discussing on our weekly expiry video as well as yesterday's video, so the probability of going the top band and coming back was discussed, and same thing happened today. And if you look at yesterday's candle, it tried to close above the 200-day moving average, and all this positivity, or you can call it a monthly expiry move, is taken care of with today's candle. And this being a bigger candle and covering the complete body of this candle, so it is considered in technical analysis as a negative. So considering this negative effect, we can expect under normal conditions we can expect a move towards 16,950 to 16,928 levels on a in Monday sessions. If there is a gap up somewhere here, so again you may expect to touch this levels 331 and then a reversal from this place. Let us now move to shorter time frame chart and see the intraday action, and let us look at the possible levels for Monday. As you can see that there is a gap up, could not sustain, given up almost in the first 15 minutes, first 45 minutes itself, and then there is a bounce post 12:30. It is given up all the gains made during the first session and then a complete drop. So for a 2nd May, as we have discussed, the levels which on the downside are very much possible. On the upside, if there is any bounce or a gap up, you may look for levels of 17,155, 204 and 272 as well. Let us now move to Bank Nifty. Let us recall what we had discussed yesterday for Bank Nifty, and we predicted that considering this being a green candle, so it is most likely that it may test this level and then try to come back, and the other possibility is a gap down and this thing. So this scenario, testing the top and coming back, has worked out today, and let us go to the range made today and versus the levels given yesterday. The high made today is 36,000. $36,718 and the low made is 35,978. So 718 in the first session and 978 towards the end of the day. So within the range, if you look at, so 723 almost met, 604 met, 302, 270, 175, 36,078. So leaving this 36,816, almost all the targets given for today are met. As expected, market opened slight gap up, tried to test this level and given up all the gains that it had made in the first session and closed just around this trend line. So the action which we predicted in a weekly video as well as yesterday's video, the market has coincided with it. And let us go for intraday action and then the levels for Monday. So it appears now that the Bank Nifty is stuck between these two lines. So here also you can see it appeared to have got stuck for 6 trading sessions. Here it is almost 10 trading sessions. It is trading within this range. So you may expect a similar action on Monday, or if there is a gap up, then even you may see in the coming week breach of this level. It is very much possible. So here you can see minor gap up and a pullback, and then post 12:30, or you can say 1 o'clock, it has given up all the gains it has made and closed towards the lows of the day. So every day you can see that there is a gap up or gap down. You can't decide whether it is going to be a gap up or gap down. So now we are in the middle of the trading range, so you can expect a move on either side, and our bias is going to be on the downside. So on the downside we would be looking for 35,988, 905, 765 and 650. And if there is any intraday move or a gap up, you can look for the levels of 175, 272, 302, 475 and 604 is also possible under extreme bullish conditions. So trading is like what do you call, you may be 90% accurate or 80% accurate in your trades, in your winning ratio, but still you may lose. You may be your accuracy may be 35% or 20% or 40%, still you may make money. It is very much possible. It all depends on how much you make when you are right, how less I'm stressing here, how less you're losing when you are wrong. So these are the basic things that you have to keep in mind while trading. So many of the viewers might be not so experienced, maybe 2 to 3 years of experience or 1 year experience. So by the time they realize, so they may end up losing significant amount of money. So I'm just cautioning on that note that for the less experienced players, so if you're going through continuous losses or over a significant period of time, if you don't make money, so it is high time that you revise your strategies and define the amount that you want to put in the trading account. So trade well, take care, bye bye.